If change management is going to be effective, we need to recognise that two cycles will play out through the change process, which are inevitable consequences of change. One is the emotional change loop, and the second is the dip in the delta. The change loop describes the emotions that we will experience through the change process. The loop starts with content and ends with content, but in between times goes through stages of denial, recognition, acceptance, despair, and excitement. The dip in the delta starts off with being content, then the change process takes place, and there will be an inevitable decrease in performance and in commitment and even in emotion. Ultimately, at the bottom here, then we will turn the corner and the change will start to be implemented, and it will start to improve, and eventually we'll end up back content again, but actually more content than we were in the first place, just in time for the next change loop to start to take place. The challenge in managing change, of course, is to make this period here as short as possible and the gap between here and here as shallow as possible. In that way, the change will be enacted more quickly and with less disruption. The real trick of turning that corner is where education and leadership come into play.